Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered what else is out there? I mean, really thought about it? We live in a universe that is vast and mysterious, filled with galaxies, black holes, and an unfathomable number of stars. But what if I told you that there might be more than just our universe? What if there are multiple universes, each with its own set of rules, realities, and possibilities? Welcome to the fascinating world of multiverse theory, where the limits of our imagination are pushed to the brink of our understanding of physics. Let's start with the basics. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one among many, potentially an infinite number of universes that exist simultaneously. Think about that for a moment. It's mind-boggling. Each of these universes could have different physical laws, constants, and even different dimensions of time and space. So, if you've ever wished you could do things differently in your life, there might just be a universe where you did. In one universe, you might be a successful musician, while in another, you might be living in a completely different reality where dinosaurs never went extinct. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering how this all fits into the realm of physics. Well, let's dive into some of the theories that support the idea of a multiverse. One of the most popular frameworks comes from quantum mechanics. You see, in quantum mechanics, particles exist in a state of probability until they are observed. This means that every time a decision is made or an event occurs, the universe splits into different branches, each representing a different outcome. Imagine every choice you've ever made creating a new universe. If you chose pizza for dinner instead of sushi, there's a universe where you chose sushi. If you decided to take that job offer instead of traveling the world, there's a universe where you're living your dream in Bali right now. It's a wild thought, isn't it? Then there's cosmic inflation, a theory that explains the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang. According to this theory, our universe could be just one bubble in a vast sea of bubbles, each representing a different universe with its own unique properties. Some might have life, some might not, and others might be completely inhospitable. This idea of bubble universes is not only fascinating, but also provides a potential explanation for why our universe appears so finely tuned for life. Maybe we just happen to live in one of the few bubbles where the conditions are right for us to exist. Another interesting aspect of the multiverse theory comes from string theory, which posits that the fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point particles, but rather tiny, vibrating strings. These strings can vibrate in different ways, leading to different particles and forces. In string theory, there are multiple dimensions beyond the three we experience every day. Some versions of string theory suggest that these extra dimensions could give rise to parallel universes. So, in a way, the multiverse could be a natural consequence of the complex structure of the universe at a fundamental level. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds amazing, but is there any real evidence for the multiverse? That's a great question. The truth is, the multiverse theory is still very much a topic of debate among physicists. While there are some intriguing hints and mathematical models that support the idea, we don't have direct evidence of other universes just yet. It's a bit like trying to prove the existence of a hidden world that you can't directly observe. However, the beauty of science is that it's always evolving. As we develop better technology and more sophisticated theories, who knows what we might discover? But let's take a moment to step back from the complexities of physics and think about what the multiverse means for us on a more personal level. If there are indeed countless universes out there, each with its own version of reality, it can change the way we perceive our own lives. It can be comforting to think that every choice we make doesn't have to define us. In one universe, you might have failed at something, but in another, you might have succeeded beyond your wildest dreams. This perspective can help us embrace the uncertainty of life, reminding us that every moment is just one thread in the vast tapestry of existence. And let's not forget the philosophical implications. The idea of the multiverse challenges our understanding of existence itself. What does it mean to be real? If there are infinite versions of you living out different lives, how do we define identity? Are we just a collection of experiences, or is there something deeper that connects all of these versions of ourselves? These questions can lead to profound reflections on our place in the cosmos and the nature of consciousness. So, as you ponder the mysteries of the universe, remember that you're not just looking at stars. you're contemplating the very fabric of reality. The multiverse theory invites us to dream big, to explore the uncharted territories of our imagination, and to consider the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our understanding. Whether or not other universes exist, the idea itself can inspire us to think outside the box, to embrace creativity, and to appreciate the beauty of the unknown. In a world that often feels so confined by our daily routines and choices, the multiverse theory opens up a realm of wonder. It reminds us that there's so much more to explore, both in the universe and within ourselves. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to wonder, what else is out there? What other versions of you are living their lives, making choices, and experiencing the vastness of existence? The answers may be elusive, but the journey of exploration is what makes it all worthwhile.